If I dispute a debt that is being collected, can debt collectors still contact me about it? How can I stop debt collectors from contacting me? You have the right to tell the debt collector in writing to cease communications regardless of whether you dispute the debt or not. You should make a copy of your letter. Send the original by certified mail and pay for a return receipt to document what the collector received. Once the debt collector receives your letter, it may not contact you again, with two exceptions. It can contact you to tell you there will be no further contact, or to advise that it or the creditor intends to take a specific action, like filing a lawsuit. Just sending such a letter to a debt collector you owe money does not eliminate the debt, but it should stop the contact. The creditor or the debt collector can still sue you to collect. However, if the collector continues to call after receiving the letter, they are violating the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Disputes, cease communication letters, these are pretty deep topics when it comes to debt collection. It's covered actually pretty frequently throughout our DebtCC community. If you have questions beyond this video, there's a great deal of content for you to research, read through, and understand on this throughout the DebtCC community and the forums. Briefly, by sending a cease communication or a dispute letter, certified mail, return receipt requested, you're laying down a foundation and a record of having sent it. Somebody on the other side is going to sign for it. You're going to get the green card back showing that signature and the date and time that it was received. Therefore, nobody's going to be able to dispute the fact that you actually disputed the debt or sent a cease communication letter. You will want to keep a copy of the letter and the return receipt for your records. Keep it in a safe place. If you receive some type of impermissible contact, in other words, something other than the fact that there will be no further contact or that the creditor intends to progress or proceed with litigation, suing you in order to collect the debt, pretty much anything outside of those two types of communication, you do want to keep a record of. Why? Because it could come in handy if you need to reach out to an attorney who can assist you in protecting your rights and filing an action against abusive debt collection. Over the years of working with consumers navigate through the collection process, some of the most frequent violations that I've seen, and you might find on this community website, is impermissible contact after you send a dispute or a cease communication letter. So definitely take advantage of the resources on the DebtCC community website through the forums. Learn more about the topic. If you experience these kind of impermissible contacts, use the resources that you see on your screen, get in touch with an attorney, and talk to them about your situation. Follow their advice. You can also report collection violation activity to the Federal Trade Commission. Report any problems you have with a debt collector to the Federal Trade Commission's website, or call 877-FTC-HELP, or contact your Attorney General's office.